there's no sun out today. It's the first day of school, so guess what that means? Let's decorate for fall. Yeah, I give up. I've been trying to hold off, but I'm too excited. Cinnamon and apples are simmering. I've got my fall stuff pulled out. So guess what? We're gonna decorate, and I'm gonna drag you with me. One of the first things I do is pull out all of my fall decor. I've already started pulling things out as I was getting inspired. People started posting in the middle of July, and I was excited and ready to go with them, but I decided to wait, and my kids made me promise I would wait until the first day of school, which is today. So I really loved this look when I was at Hobby Lobby, the buffalo check and the neutrals. So I kind of started pulling from my supply of what I had, and I made just a couple of new things. I had some scraps from buffalo check and some burlap, so I made one of those little garlands, and I made a pumpkin, which I realized I'm not so good at. So I'm going to do some research on those, but with those two things plus a couple of others, I think the look will pull together well enough. And I already had a lot of the farmhouse colors, so I'm just going to pull those, and everything else that's orange and yellow I'll leave in the other area. So the only additions that I had this year is I did buy these cute little mini buffalo check pumpkins, and I bought these, but I might not use them because I'd already made the garland. These were both 40% off, and ooh, I've got my chai. I didn't have any pumpkin spice, but I'll get some. I made one of these little tiered stands so that I could decorate with it. You guys, there are so many tutorials out there on this, so if this is something you would like to make, research it. There are truly tons of them. I went on Pinterest and found some artwork that I liked. I found a sign and copied it, so this was what I made, and then I just shrunk it down and I'll frame it according to what I need on my little display. But then I was at Big Lots, and they had 90% off all of their 4th of July stuff, and I found this little sign. Initially it had the red, white, and blue, and it had this in the trunk. So I just popped those off, and now I'm going to update this every holiday. I'll just have a new little garland. I'll swap out what's in the bed of the truck. I sized down the artwork that I had already made to put it on the trucks. And then I think it said Land of the Free, and I just sanded that off and then whitewashed the whole sign. So I'm not very good at doing DIYs for artwork, and you guys are already so creative, but this was something I got for $1 at 90% off. So I'm very happy to update this and incorporate it into my decor. But that's it. So I only spent a couple of dollars on new things, and what I'm going to do is yank down everything I have from my coffee stand, and then I'll start updating it, and then I'll work my way through the rest of the house. All right, Domino, you ready to show them what we've done for fall? So I didn't pull out a lot. I really just wanted a little bit of a hint of fall. As the season progresses, I'll probably add some things. I have a little entryway and I just swapped out my wreath, added my pillow that I got from Big Lots last year. This is probably my favorite spot though. I love the dining room. Our kitchen is so small, so I just put a little something in the counter area. Quick tip. So this little farmhouse sign here is a cabinet door sample. Now, I'm not saying this always works, but I have gone to a couple of Home Depots, Lowe's, and cabinet stores and just asked if they had any discontinued samples. And you guys, I probably have about 20 of these in my garage that I just keep in inventory, but every time I'm there, I just ask. Most of the time they say no, but about once or twice a year, it turns out that they have 8 to 10 that they're just going to put in the trash anyway. And let me tell you, these are awesome for various crafts and signs. And then here's the coffee bar. Again, this whole inspiration came from the Daily DIYer. If you didn't check out when I made this, definitely go check out her channel. I've got that link below. I love her inspirations. I can't wait to see what she does for her fall setup. And again, I'm not trying to steal anything from her. I just think she's so amazing that it absolutely inspires me. And I hope that one of us inspires you as well. Please make sure you click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That will alert you when there's a new video, but also subscribing is what allows YouTube to customize that content that's being delivered to you. So make sure you click that. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.